Hi everyone, want a Grok AI to give a mind-blowing responses? Here's how to write a better prompts like a pro. Let's get started. Number one that you need to remember is you need to be specific. Remember that a generic prompt is a generic answer. Instead of telling or giving a broad topic like tell me about space, try to be specific, like explain how the black holes form in simple terms. And you need to set a rule, assign a role. Say, act like a NASA scientist or speak like a friendly teacher to shape the tone. You need to assign a role, whether it's a casual, formal, or other type. Then you need to add a context. Give it a context. Mention your goal, your audience, like I'm a student writing a report, then boom, it's a better answers. Then you need to experiment with the formats. Want a list or a story, a table, you need to ask for it. Ask anything in the Grok AI, and the Grok loves format direction. And that's it. Follow for more smart prompt hacks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let the grok blow your mind every time.